So this is the MAIKER rigid Molle panel, and as you can see, it just straps to the back of your seat. This is a 2022 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 4xe, but you can strap this to your seat, and then you can strap anything to it, and it's super rigid. It's super strong. You can't bend it at all. Just straps around your headrest and around the bottom of the seat there, and it comes with a crap load of straps. See all these straps? I strapped a drill, and I'm only using one strap for that drill, and then one of those little ropes that it comes with too. They comes with a bunch of stretchy ropes and then a bunch of those straps. I didn't put any pew-pews on it because I'm not sure you could put pew-pews on Amazon, but so I just strapped some drills and a saw to it to show you how strong it is. I mean, it's sturdy. I really like it. This is cool. This is going to be a great addition to the old Jeep. And this is what it looks like without anything on it. You know, you can mount a fire extinguisher to it. You can mount, anything you want to mount back there, you can mount to it. It'll hold quite a bit of stuff, as you can see. And I might get another one for the other seat. And maybe you could put them on the very back seats too. I like it. This is cool. Check it out, guys. It's a cool product.